Hello everyone, and this is a video to show you how to use something called sign up that I just discovered on Laulima. You're going to be having to meet with me via Zoom. And so I'm going to show you how to use the sign up feature to meet with me on Zoom. This is for particularly my Econ 220 class, but it could also be for other classes for meeting up with office hours and things like that. So here we are in the Econ 220 class, and here's the overview page just to let you know that we're in Econ 220. And the first thing you need to do is to go to sign up. Here is sign up, and we're going to do this as meet as student. Right, so now before this time, I will have set up some particular times with you that everybody can meet. So we're just going to kind of go through this. So what you do is you click on, let's say, meet with me, boom, and then you're going to click on this sign up button, whatever sign up button you want to do. And right now I've set it up for 30-minute increments. So you click on this. Finish, and it says that you/me are signed up. Now when this happens, you are going to receive an email saying that you have now signed up, and and on my end I can add this event to my Google Calendar. On your end, you can double click on this thing for ICS, and you can drop in the time into your calendar, which brings up a couple of points. To do this, you really should have some kind of a calendar program with you to do the sign up and such. A Google Calendar is the most popular one. I use Google Calendar for your calendars, which are right here. You can use iCal as well, but Google Calendar seems to be the nice default here. The next thing is, in order to do this, you need to be signed up with Zoom. So you need to set up a Zoom account. I'll give you some instructions on how to do that when you're doing your sign up. And for this particular class, I believe you're going to be signing up during week 9. And here's my Zoom information right here. Make sure that you have Zoom signed up so that we can meet via Zoom. I suppose we can meet face to face, but for right now, I think it's better that we all meet with Zoom. Okay, that's it. That's how you do the sign up here. I'm going to cancel this since this was a mock sign up. And